Hello everyone, I'm Akanksha Mishra and you are watching our YouTube channel TNB Academy. Think about this. Your phone tells you when it needs charging. Your smartwatch tells you how many steps you walked, and even your car reminds you when it is time for service. That is the power of digital technology. Now imagine the same thing happening in big businesses. Machines talking, sensors giving signals, and AI predicting problems before they even happen. Amazing, right? But here is the big question. How do companies manage all this? How do they keep digital assets like data, AI systems, and IoT devices under control? That is where ISO 55001 comes in. Today we are talking about the digital future of asset management and how ISO 55001 is the secret weapon leaders can use in the age of AI and IoT. Why digital assets matter? In the old days, assets meant buildings, trucks, machines, and land. But now, assets are also digital. Things like customer data, AI models, software systems, and IoT sensors. For many companies today, digital assets are more valuable than physical ones. For example, a social media company's biggest asset is not its office, but it is data. If leaders don't manage these assets properly, they lose value, security risk increase, and the business suffers. ISO 55001 helps treat both physical and digital assets with the same discipline. So every asset adds value to the business. How AI helps asset management? AI is like having a super smart assistant. It can look at thousands of data points and tell you exactly when a machine might break down. It can analyze energy use and suggest how to save money. It can even predict customer demand so you don't overstock or understock. But AI isn't magic. It needs a structure. ISO 55001 gives that structure, making sure leaders use AI responsibly, transparently, and in line with company goals. Without leadership, AI becomes confusing. With leadership, AI becomes powerful. IoT, when assets start talking. Have you noticed how everyday things are now smart? Fridges that order milk, cars that park themselves, even lights that adjust automatically. That is IoT, the Internet of Things. Now imagine IoT in businesses. Factory machines that send alerts, delivery trucks that track themselves, water systems that report leaks instantly. This gives leaders huge amounts of data. But without proper management, it is just noise. ISO 55001 helps convert this data into decisions, making IoT truly valuable. Now we will discuss about the common challenges in the digital future. Managing digital assets isn't easy. Leaders face problems like too much data, not enough insights, cybersecurity threats, fast-changing technology, short-term focus instead of long-term strategy. But ISO 55001 helps by giving leaders a framework, a step-by-step way to manage risk, plan investment, and make sure digital assets really deliver value. Tools leaders can use. To manage digital assets, leaders can use Digital Asset Register to track everything, dashboards that show real-time performance, cybersecurity systems to protect data, AI-powered reports to predict future risk. These tools are great, but tools alone don't solve problems. Leadership decides how to use them. The future of asset management. The future is exciting. AI will get smarter, IoT will connect billions of devices, and digital assets will become even more important. But the bigger the future, the bigger the responsibility. Organizations that use ISO 55001 as a guide will stay ahead because they will manage both physical and digital assets smartly. Those who ignore it may drown in data and fall behind. If you are a leader today, ask yourself, are you managing your digital assets as carefully as your physical ones? Because in the digital age, data, AI, and IoT are the new gold. Manage them well with ISO 55001 and you will secure the future of your business. Thank you for being here. Let's step into the digital future smartly and responsibly.